we'll guide you through how to send emails on Mailchimp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Mailchimp website, then log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu and click on it. Now, you'll see a Create Campaign button, usually located at the top right corner, so go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to create. Select Email to continue. Next, give your campaign a name, something that will help you easily identify it later, and click Begin. You'll be taken to the campaign builder where you can set up your email. The first thing you need to do is choose your recipients. Click on the Add Recipients button and select the audience or list you want to send this email to. You can also segment your audience if you want to target specific subscribers. Once you've done that, head over to the From section to specify who the email is from. Make sure the name and email address are correct. Now it's time to craft your email. Click on Design Email and choose a template that suits your needs. You can customize the template by adding your content, images, and links. Don't forget to include a catchy subject line and preview text in the subject section. This is what your recipients will see first in their inboxes. Before you send it, it's important to review your email. Look over the design and details to ensure everything is correct. You can also send a test email to yourself to see how it looks in an inbox. Once you're satisfied, click on the Continue button. Now, you'll be taken to the final review screen. Double-check everything again, and when you're ready, hit the Send button. You'll also have the option to schedule it for later if you prefer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.